Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today I'm going to create 3 beautiful ideas that you can use for the holiday as well as for a special event. So I'm going to start with this frame, this mirrored frame that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to remove the backing, all the plastic and everything off of it because I'm going to change it from black to silver. I am going to use this beautiful black linen look contact paper. This is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to use this just to cover up the back, and I'm just going to score it in the areas where I'm going to cut it down to size. What I'm going to do is use some painter's tape, and I'm going to cover the parts of the mirror that are closest to the frame, and then I'm going to start to paint the frame silver. So the paint I'm using today is Decor Art, and the color is called Shimmering Silver. This paint is very thick and a little goes a long way, so I'm only going to be pouring a little bit out onto my paper, and I'm just going to paint the whole frame. I'm going to paint a thin coating. I'm going to allow it to dry for about an hour, and then I'm going to come back and paint it again. So that's the second painting, and so while that dries, I'm going to start working on our candle holder. So these 2 glass vases I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use a little bit of alcohol and just clean them off just a little bit to remove any fingerprints. So I'm going to be using some peel and stick decoration that I got from Amazon. And if this is still available, guys, I will link it below. I've already peeled off the backing. This is super sticky, so I'm just going to wrap this around the top and the bottom portion of the vase. So now that that's done, it looks so nice as it is, but I'm going to be using my small tapered candlestick holder. I got this from my discount store a couple of years ago, and so I'm going to be using some of my permanent adhesive, and I'm going to apply a little bit of that at the top, and then I'm going to place it on the bottom of the candle holder. And after that, I'm just going to let that set overnight. So guys, it's the next day, and what I'm going to do is use this beautiful rhinestone brooch. I've had these for a few years, and I'm just going to place that on the front, guys, and look how beautiful that looks. So now I'm going to work on the second vase, and I'm using a similar rhinestone peel and stick. I got this from Amazon as well. It was part of a set. They're still available, guys. I will definitely link it below. Yeah, so I'm going to apply this in the same areas that I did on the first one. So our mirror is completely dry, and what I'm going to do is use my silver marker to color over any of the areas that I missed down there on the frame. So I'm going to use my marker just to fill that in. So now I'm going to use these crystal glass door pulls that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to use them as feet for the bottom of our mirror. Really nice, guys. That came out so nice. Now last but not least, I'm going to apply this beveled mirror sticker on top of the frame, because I messed up the frame a little bit while I was working with it, and so I just want to cover up any of the imperfections. So I'm going to use this mirror trim to do that. And guys, look how nice that looks. I love the way that looks with the mirror trim on top. And yeah, so guys, look how beautiful the project is. 3 beautiful ideas that you can use for the holiday or for any special event. So I love the way this came out. I love absolutely every detail of the project. So guys, you let me know what you think in the comment section, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate you, and I appreciate you subscribing, and I appreciate you every time you click on a video and leave a comment. So guys, thank you so much again for joining me. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And you all be well, be safe, and be blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.